What are you going to play?
Ballad.
Oh, you're going to play ballad?
Huh.
Okay, let's hear it.
Can we? What are we waiting for? Let's go. Play, Dad. How come you're not counting?
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, you need, but you need conducting me to play my ballad. That's when we try it.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's a good ballad. Yay,
I need to
Matt.
eat something.
What do you need to eat?
Something that is yummy. Something that is yummy. It's in my pocket, actually.
Taking a little snack.
So, do you want some toast? Do you want some?
Okay.
Do you want to yum it?
I do.
Here, it's a little fishy. It's not.
Thanks for the fishy snack.
Anyway, so,